Caucasus region in Eurasia has a rich history. Armenia was the first country to adopt Christianity as its official religion. Although this country was reached by Christianity long ago, the Adventist Church only has a small presence here. To continue church growth, Global Mission has focused on unentered areas in this region. Through urban centers of influence, Global Mission pioneers, and the guidance of the Holy Spirit, people are learning and accepting the Adventist message. Church plants, like this one in Armenia, have blessed those searching for hope. Years ago, Alvord felt completely lost as her daughter lay in a hospital bed. She had fallen off a high wall, and the doctors weren't optimistic about her recovery. Before this happened, Alvord had just started studying the Bible with a Seventh-day Adventist. This new friend came to the hospital regularly to pray with Alvord.
The windows of the hospital were open, and I was screaming, begging God to help my daughter. A miracle happened. God heard my prayer.
Alvord's daughter made a full recovery, and Alvord knew that God had healed her. It was such a relief, and she wanted to visit the church where her Adventist friend worshiped. She felt right at home, and now her young granddaughter comes too.
I always wanted to have God's love in me, to treat people like God treats people. I've seen many great works that God fulfilled in my life.
Global Mission pioneers are frontline workers who truly invest in their communities. And Hov Hans is no exception. He shares the love of Jesus with many people in their town. People like Nune and her family came to this church because of Hov Hans. They have been coming for 3 months and have dedicated their hearts to Jesus.
I would like to ask everyone to pray so many more people can join our church, and that we can all be in God's kingdom when He comes to take us home.
Please pray that people throughout Eurasia will come to know Jesus through creative and holistic ministries. Pray that God will continue to show His love through the work of Global Mission pioneers. Thank you for supporting Global Mission.